All right, so let's check out and see what oils are out of stock right now at Walmart. Avocado oil.
Gone.
That avocado oil.
Gone.
This avocado oil still here. Coconut oil. Just this one in particular is out of stock. Then the olive oil is looking bare. Slim pickings on olive oil, but there is still olive oil. I don't know the differences in olive oil, but
Prices?
there's a huge, okay, yeah, so the prices. So the $2, $3.48, but then the 17 and 15. But then you see the 8 and the 7 over here.
Big.
So maybe it is price based. There's a shortage of cheaper olive oil. Not olive oil. There's just a shortage of cheaper olive oil. Then we come down here and look at the corn oil and sunflower oil, and it's looking a little grim. Peanut oil, but and the vegetable oil, but it's still here. It's just, and they have a ton back behind, where if they would spaced it out on the shelves to front everything, it wouldn't look like there'd be empty spots. But instead, they got them all stacked up behind each other, so it looks like they're empty. And then they even got some up here. I didn't even know they put stuff on the top shelf. But if they would front it differently, it wouldn't look as bad as it does now. But if you want a canola oil, you can come get some. If you want a corn oil, you can come get some. Vegetable oil, you can come get some. All right, so here we are at the baby formula, and got some gaps in the shelves on that Similac. The Similac.
$36.
Babies are they hungry.
Baby formula?
I don't know how many servings that is though, but there's some shortages there. So we're checking out the dry pasta section here at Walmart, and you know, like I said, we got shortages in wheat and corn exports as a result of Russia and Ukraine conflict. So take a look at this here. Now this may not be a result of an export ban. This should just be people buying more because they heard the news and they want to stock up now while they can. But this is the pasta section here at Walmart, and yeah, it's a little discouraging. It's a little discouraging. What is gone is, what are these, rotini?
Make sure you get your tortellini before it's gone.
Get tortellinis. Kid says get tortellinis.
Oh, this is the cheese too.
There's a little bit of linguine. I don't think spaghetti. Oh, there's a little bit of spaghetti. So, you know, you can get it, but you're not going to get maybe the brand you want or the specific pasta you want, but you can get pasta. And it looks like maybe like the Great Value brand is gone. I don't know if it's because they don't have enough to get or because it's the cheaper one and people buy more of it quicker, more often. All right, so now I'm at Publix, and this is right down the street from Walmart. Does she not know I'm recording? All right, but anyway, right down the street, so it's the same area, but their pasta level is completely different than Walmart, but it's also a smaller section. But anyway, it looks a whole lot different. It looks a whole lot better. Let me show it to you. Much more organized, neat. It's easier for them to look in stock. Look like they, you know, not look like they have a shortage because they don't have as much space as Walmart. Like Walmart space was like 3 or 4 times this size. Walmart probably had more than this. So it's just like a little misleading.